Today marks a new milestone for the world of computing, as Intel has just released their new line of enterprise-grade processors, the Intel Xeon Processor E5-2600 V3 product family. These brand new CPUs contain a wealth of great innovations that will help make your next server run faster while consuming less power than ever before. Rather than tell you about all the great features of this new platform ourselves, we'll let Intel do the talking. On a recent visit to Pogo headquarters, Intel Field Applications Engineer Chris Blevins gave us a quick briefing on the features of the new product family. So Chris, thanks for joining us today. So can you tell us, what makes these new Intel Xeon processors better than previous generations?
The new Intel Xeon Processor E5-2600 V3 product family introduces a variety of new features and capabilities. The first and foremost is the introduction of additional cores. From the previous generation, we had up to 12 cores per socket. With the new E5-2600 V3 processors, we introduced 14, 16, and even 18 cores per socket.
Is there any new functionality that lessens power consumption at the core level?
We've introduced things like per-core P-states, which allows each core to scale its frequency independent of all the other cores. We've introduced improved power management in the uncore as well.
Are there AVX improvements?
We've introduced AVX 2.0, which provides the opportunity for double the flops per clock over the previous generation AVX.
So there are a whole lot of advances taking place at the core level, but are there any additional features that speed up communication between sockets?
Some additional features include things like an increase in the inter-socket transfer rate, so the QPI link between CPUs, from 8 gigatransfers per second max on the previous gen to now up to 9.6 gigatransfers per second.
Have you been able to improve the memory bandwidth as well?
Another, I would say, major shift is the transition from DDR3 memory to DDR4 memory on the new E5-2600 V3. This will provide you with greater memory bandwidth and better power efficiency.
What about overall I/O improvements? Anything new there?
The E5-2600 V3 CPUs also include 40 lanes of PCI Express Gen 3 per socket, which is to deliver the I/O bandwidth for next generation technologies such as 40 gigabit Ethernet and non-volatile memory express solid state drives.
Can you tell us a little bit about the new chipset?
Combining the CPU with the new C610 chipset provides additional platform capabilities in I/O, such as USB 3 and SATA 3. And overall, the platform itself with the new Intel Xeon Processor E5-2600 V3 product family has been architected with the next generation cloud, virtualization, networking, and storage applications in mind.
If you'd like to learn more about how you can benefit from the new Intel platform, our team of sales engineers are always happy to help. Pogo offers a huge selection of new servers built around this great new technology. Our specialty is building custom servers based on the unique needs of your organization. Learn more at pogolinux.com or contact us at sales@pogolinux.com or 888-828-POGO. Thanks.
Increase in the inner socket. Okay.